Thank you for purchase of cryolipolysis and the lipo slimming machine. Today I will introduce you about this machine. First, when we got this machine, we should install all the handle inside our machines, like the cryolipolysis handle, the cavitation handle, and the RF handle, and the lipo. When all the handle be installed, and then we should add water, add enough water inside our machine. This is input water hole, and this air hole, and this water out hole. We contact this tool in our first hole, and add water inside. When we add about five buttons this water, and the water will be out from the air hole, that means the machine already full of water. Then we install this tool from the machine. When operation, this hole and this hole is open, this is closed. Every 10 days we need to change the water, change new water inside the machine. Then turn this out, and then pour all of the water from the machine and close it again and add water the same way like I told you before. Also, the water from here means it's full of water. When the water is full, then we can turn on this machine. On the right of the machine, there is a key. We connect with the power line and turn on this one. And this is with a switch. Turn the right, then we can open the machine and enter the screen. There is enter, and this is 5 items. The first one is 40 kHz cavitation for fat dissolve, and this is intensive. We press this key and choose the color for this handle. And this is the time we can add and list the time. And this is the model for the cavitation. And when we set the suitable parameter, then we turn on the machine. We can see the surface of the machine. If you think the powder is not stronger or too stronger, then there is a key. We press the 40K this area. We can enter a screen like this, and we go to the base power for this machine and press this key to back to the main screen. And after maybe 10 or 15 minutes operation, we stop it and back to the main screen. The second one is for the body RF handle. For the body, that means this RF, this handle, and also intensive adjust. We normally from 3 and start, and we try if it is hot or not. If not, we can afford more, then we add more, maybe 5, and try again like this, and choose the best power for our treatment. And also this handle about 10 to 15 minutes operation. After operation, then back to the screen, the main screen. And the third one is the most important one, cryolipolysis. We can see there is on the handle there is display. This is small size handle, and our factory with big size handle for choice. Just when you purchase, you should ask us. If you need bigger, then we install bigger for you. This one is small, and we enter the screen. And the same way, intensive timer. Start. And then we see the screen on the handle. This suction time we can adjust here. And this is put time, that's air put time. Also we can add here and start it. And in this step we have a small tool, this sofa. We install this in this area, that in case there is any dirty thing inside the pump and broke the machines. And now it has been worked already, and we work it like this in our treatment area. We can see the fat already work on the hole. And for this treatment, we should use anti-freezing mask. In market, we can go to anti-freezing mask. And this area, you can see it has already freezing. And on this step, there is very important things. We should, when we first time use the machine, and the meter the water saturation is not enough. And you will when you turn this handle, you will fall. It's very hot. That's dangerous. And then what we can do, like this, line the handle on the floor and shake the hole and turn and shake the hole. Let the water saturation on the handle. If it's still hot, then we stop it and wait for 30 minutes and turn this again. Enter the same screen and start it. Same way. We should try this way until the water saturation on the handles. When we turn this machine, we feel it freezing, it's cold, then we can do the treatment. If hot, we should do that step. And the fourth item is lipo laser. There is 6 big size and 2 small size inside our machine. And we open all. If you need to treatment for all the body, then we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or turn on it and add the intensive. You can see, if we add the intensive, the power will be stronger. And this is for the model. You stop, start, stop, start. And this also about treatment 20 minutes. On this tool, we have these wipes for cover the paste on our body. And after treatment, then we close the machine and back to the main screen and turn off the machine. Also, this one, and clean all the handle. If you have any problem, please contact with our salesman. Thank you.